Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas. Different collection of hairstyling in low maintenance. Fine hairstyle and beautiful collection of messy hairstyles and different ideas of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, and different ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and so beautiful ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors, and beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and many much more beautiful and latest collection, latest ideas. Of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope it looks so nice. Very stylish and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll be right back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.